Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Node.js, Visual Studio Code and TypeScript. By the end, you will be able to run your first TypeScript program. So for this, we need to download Node.js. We have this website nodejs.org. So let me open the Chrome. I will show you in the Chrome. So I have typed node.js download. So we got this first link. So let me open this node.js. So for the Windows, we need to download this LTS version, Windows installer.msi file. So you can click on this, and once the download is completed, you can accept all the pre conditions. So first we can understand why we need to download the Node.js. So Playwright is a Node.js based automation framework, and Node.js provides the runtime environment to execute the Playwright scripts, and it installs the dependencies using npm and manage the browsers, and also support JavaScript and TypeScript test execution. I will show you Node.js version in my project. Let me open the terminal. For the checking version Node.js is download successful or not. So for this we have command node space hyphen v, and here we can see the version. So I have successfully downloaded node.js. Now we need to install Visual Studio Code. So we have this site visualstudio.com. So let me open the Chrome. I will show to the Chrome Visual Studio Code download. And we have this code.visualstudio.com. So you can click on this, and for Windows you can download from this uh, icon. So once the download is successfully, you can check the Visual Studio is successfully installed or not. So first we can understand why we use Visual Studio Code. So using Visual Studio Code, we can write code easily, and also it suggests playwright methods automatically. And also we can Visual Studio use as IDE or edited for the playwright development, and it provides feature like code completion, debugging, integrated terminal, extension support, and TypeScript support, and also GitHub integration. So which makes playwright automation development. Node.js runs playwright script, and we can write the script in the Visual Studio Code, and also we can debug and manage those the scripts by the Visual Studio Code. Means Node.js is the runtime and Visual Studio Code is the development environment. So let me open the new window. So here we can click on this, and here we have option terminal. We already checked the which node is installed or not. So it's showing the version. We already checked the it's successfully downloaded. We can create a new project. So, So we have Visual Studio Code, and in the Visual Studio Code we can create the new folder, and we can add the JS file, and we can run with the Node.js. So let me open the my Visual Studio. So here we can see this is the Visual Studio, and under that we have multiple options: new file, open folder. So under that we can create a new folder. So open folder, uh, in desktop let me create a new folder. Type script installation. So I have created new folder. Let me select this, and we can select the folder. So here we can see I have created TypeScript installation folder, and here we have option create a new file. Here we have option create a new folder, and this is the welcome page. So first, we can create a .js file, simple file, and we can write the program, and then we can run the program. So under this folder, we have this option, new file. We can create a one JavaScript program file with the JavaScript extension. So let me type the file name first, program dot js. So here we can see first program.js file is created. We can write a simple program. First, we can write the print program. We can check our installation is successful or not. So for the printing, we have console dot log, and here we can see we got the automatic suggestion, so we can accept this message. Here we can write the hello word, anything message we can write here. Before the running, we need to save this program using controls yes, and after that we need to run this program. So let me open the terminal. Here we have multiple options. So we can click on this, and here we can uh, see terminal. We can open this terminal, and for the JavaScript program run, we have a command node, and then program name. I will write first program.js. After entering tab, you will get the full program file name. So let me enter this. Here we can see our program is executed successfully using node command. If we miss anything in the code, then we will see error after the program execution. So let's do this and see what will happen. We can edit this we can write other line console. Here we got to suggestion, we can accept, and we can miss the bracket, and we can see after the running what we will get the error. Let me save this program and enter. So here we got the error, syntax error, missing this bracket after argument list. So after the program execution, you will get the error. Let me correct this program, and we can save this program before the execution. And now let me open the terminal, and we can run this program again. And here we can see this is also executed after fixing the error. Now we can check the TypeScript program. So for this, first we need to install the TypeScript. So for the TypeScript installation, we have command npm install -g and then TypeScript. Npm means Node Package Manager, and -g means globally. Using -g, we can install globally. And so let me open the Visual Studio. We can install the TypeScript. Here we can type npm install -g, and then we can type TypeScript. Let me enter this, and here installation is started. It changed one package. So how we can check the TypeScript is installed successfully or not? So for this we have command tsc space -v, enter, and here we got the version 6.0.3, so means TypeScript is installed successfully. So let's create another file with the TypeScript. So let me give the file name first program for the TypeScript. And for the TypeScript file, we need to give the extension .ts. So here TypeScript file is installed successfully and it's created successfully. Same, we can write one program. We can write program for the printing. So let me type console dot log, and we got the auto suggestion. I can accept this, and we need to save this program before the execution. And now we can run this TypeScript file, and we will check what will happen. But we know means TypeScript file we cannot run the directly. So for the first we need to compile, and then we need to run it. So we can compile this TypeScript file. So for this we have command tsc, and then file name, first program, TypeScript .ts, and let me enter. Here we got the message, first program type. I think I have missed here E. So let me rename this. I have renamed it correctly. Now let me run this TypeScript file again. We can compile this file. Let me copy this. TSC, enter. Hmm. Here we can see I have compiled TypeScript file, and once the compilation is completed, here we can see same JavaScript file is created with the same code. After the compilation, we receive this JavaScript file and we can execute this JavaScript file using the node command. So we cannot directly run the TypeScript file. We need to compile first, and once the compilation is completed, .js file is will be create, and then after that we need to run this created .js file with the node command. So we can run this file with the node. Let me type command node, and we can give the file name with JS, and let me enter, and here we can see we got the message hello world. Let me type again any other code. Let me type console. I got this auto suggestion. I will accept, and let me save this. Now I can compile this file using tsc command. Let me enter. Compilation is completed. Let me open the JavaScript file, and here we can see we got this code also in .js file after the compilation. Now we can execute this file using node, and let me enter. Here we receive two message, means our code is executed successfully. So we have drawback for this, means we have .ts file, and uh, we need to always this compile the file, and once the compilation is completed, .js file will be create, and after that we need to run this file using node command. So using this we can miss some code if we forget to save the code. So to overcome this problem, we have new libraries. So this is called TSX, and this library, using this library, we can execute directly TypeScript file. This library compiles the .ts file in the backend with compilation. So now we can download this library from the terminal, and we have command. Let me open. We have command npm install space -g, and we have library this tsx. So let me open Visual Studio. We can download using this command npm install -g tsx. So now we have libraries, and now we can run directly TypeScript file. So for this we have command npx space library's name tsx and then file name. First program type script dot ts. Let me enter, and here we can see program is executed successfully. We got the print message. So using this library we can directly run the TypeScript file. In this session we already see how to execute the JavaScript file, and also how to execute the TypeScript file directly. For the TypeScript video we will meet again. So thank you. If you like this video, you can share and subscribe.